As you can see, we have the completed result for both of models, and in here we are getting the result using U contours, and by using animated time history, let me set some definition in here, and now you can watch the U magnitude in terms of time history for our frame and soil, considering soil structuring traction. And as you can see, this model is working properly, and at the end of time we can find the displacement history. So in the results, in here history output, we have to extract the spatial displacement of U top and U bottom, which we have defined them already. So in here we have to operate some operation on these values. At first I will choose U top and then minus U bottom, so let me save it as SSI. So in here XY data manager, let me plot it so you can see we are facing with 5 centimeter, almost 5 centimeter displacement using SSI, and also by another model considering without considering soil, we have also an animated result in here. So if we want to extract the displacement, we could easily create the displacement history same as previous model, and in here let me operate on XY data again. U top should be -2, U bot. So let me define non-SSI for this model, and then we could easily compare them together. As you can see, we have final results without SSI and considering SSI. So that's done.